Hello, everyone. Welcome to the 8th edition of Superhero League. Thank you for joining. My name is Mery, and today I have my colleague Alex Casas joining as well.
Hey.
So, how are you, Alex? So last week we didn't meet. We had a great experience going on. It was a great demo day of Starfleet India. It was an amazing experience. More than 350 people joined to see 7 amazing startups battle up. And we have to congratulate the winners, right? It's Hypermind, Pontic, and Drive. By the way, Hypermind is going to join us in the dev show today. So Alex, can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yes, sorry to interrupt, but this is very, very important. Hypermind and some other stuff that is going to be unveiled later. I'm so excited because most of you and most of us have heard about second layer solutions to do obtain payments such as the Lightning Network. But what we are going to witness today is a similar concept, but not just a simple payment, but with logic at the protocol level. So this is amazing. We're going to see it live. So please, massive kudos for the core aeternity developers and all the community, the awesome open source community that is bringing this to reality. You will see it's going to be awesome. I'm really so excited, and I hope you can share this excitement.
So it's going to be like a big leap. So before we start, I would like to go over some reminders. Jitsi is an open source conferencing tool, so it works best in Chrome and Firefox. So if you're using mobile, cell phone, or tablet, any other device, we encourage to join through our live stream and YouTube and Facebook. We are here also to exchange ideas. We don't want to monopolize the conversation. We want to hear your voices. So please feel free to participate, raise your hand. The chat will be moderated by Superhero team. So you can also put your questions over there, and we will be aware of that. And then you can turn your mic on and your camera on and join stage for the question if you feel like it. Another important thing is if you have a chain name, please write your chain name in the Jitsi profile. Why? Because we are going to be sending A tokens to people that are proposing interesting questions and that come on stage. So it would be interesting for you to have your dog chain name written over there. I don't want to remember to forget anything. Oh, yes. We have the networking session in this same very room after the main show, the dev show. So we expect you there to turn on your camera, mingle, chit-chat. Will probably be a lot of chit-chatting about the stage channel news. So that's all. Alex, you want to continue?
Yeah, this part, thank you a lot, Mery, for these guidelines. Remember that the networking is going to happen in this same room. And we're going to start with this really hot topic that I guess we are all experiencing in our own skin with this weird situation that we are having. And to start making us some questions, we had the idea of having a sneak peek to a random Chatroulette room to see a random conversation about the matter. So leave us a moment, please. We're going to connect with the Chatroulette of the oppression and censorship, and let's see what happens. I knew I had to find someone that trusts in people, you crazy gang. Are you going to risk your security just for freedom?
No, exactly the other way around. I am not going to risk my freedom for security.
Yeah, but you are not free to do that. It's not only your security, it's also mine. And you can't decide about that without invading my freedom.
Well, relax. I know how to behave for not compromising anyone else's security. Has the idea of having balance between security and individual freedom ever crossed your mind?
So you are saying that I should put my security in the hands of others?
Well, we need to rely on each other as a society. I see it more as a we, not a me. Security is only real and long-lasting as long as it is collective.
Yeah, I have plenty of guns at home, so I don't really need to rely on anyone. I just don't care.
Great, so problems are fixed with guns.
Welcome to the real world, neo-hippie.
Oh my God, where's the next button here? But you know what? Let me ask you a question, Neanderthal. Why do you need the state to protect you if you can do it yourself?
It's obvious. I just need a backup. This is a crazy world, so every protection is not enough. Do you believe in laws?
Well, I believe in ethics and moral, and that is far beyond laws.
But that's not enough. We need some rules, not just the subjective interpretation of the ethics and moral. Don't you see laws being based on ethics?
Tell me, is it ethical that you can be spied on and tracked?
I don't care being spied or tracked. I have nothing to hide.
Oh, so then just leave the door open when you go to the bathroom in a bar. We all know what you're doing there, so you have nothing to hide.
Again, are you going to tell me how to handle my privacy?
Me? Nah, the state is already telling you that. Also, let me ask you one thing. Don't you think that the current political system is kind of obsolete, old-fashioned, and not going anywhere? We have technology now that enables new and better ways of governance. Why don't we move forward?
Again, I just don't care. Life goes very well for me as it is.
Oh, great. So we're back at me. Not even this crisis has made you realize the importance of the we above the me. I can see why we aren't moving forward as a society.
Well, if it works, just don't change it.
Really? Censorship works? Fake news work? Oppression works? For whom?
I'm fine. I don't really think there is any censorship about legal stuff. Democracies are granting us our right to express freely our opinions.
Oh, now you just made clear that you are living in a fairy tale.
Okay, let me alone with my fairy tales. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Well, we're back to normality. We just wanted to illustrate with this dialogue in this Chatroulette room how sometimes it's very difficult to have some agreements on this. If the state should protect us, or we should rely on the individual liberties and freedom and responsibility.